Hello everyone, welcome to Designer Square by O Homes. I am Asmi Vijayavargiya, and in today's topic we have come up with something new and we'll be discussing the color psychology and how the shades of colors can bring the different moods inside of your room and how they can function inside of your room and how you can implement them into your interior designing style. Today the two colors which we'll focus on will be green and beige. So let's get started on that. So let's start off with the most dominant color in nature, which is green. Ever heard of green rooms? Before the shoots, the models or the interiors, they wait in this green room because it evokes a sense of relaxation and calmness because that is what the color green represents. So moving forward to the first shade, which would be sage green. Sage green is known for its calming and grounding qualities. It's soft and mute tone with grey undertones that provides a sense of tranquility, and psychologically speaking it symbolizes growth and renewal also, and hence it is also a best place to put those colors in your bedroom because it provides a vibe of tranquilization and relaxation, and you need this relaxing vibe inside of your bedroom. It creates a balanced and soothing atmosphere. Now let's move on to the color forest green. Forest green, with its rich and deep hue, it provides a sense of nature, sophistication and also stability inside of the house. That deep color paired with gold or brass accents, it provides a elegant and timeless appeal inside of the house. It provides a luxurious finishing in the house, and that color is usually seen on walls or furniture or the cabinetry of the house. Next, let's move on to the color olive green. Olive green has this warm, earthy brown undertones which evoke a sense of comfort. Psychologically, it is associated with peace and wisdom. It makes a wonderful choice for this cozy, rustic interior inside of your house, and it works harmoniously well with natural materials like wood and stone also. This color is often used in Mediterranean inspired designs, and it also pairs well with terracotta stylings also. Now let's talk about the color emerald green. Emerald green is a color of luxury and it symbolizes wealth, prosperity, and also vitality. This color is great for going on with velvet furniture, having statement walls, or even as accents in the furniture. If you aim to impress, then this color should definitely be either in your living room or in your dining room, as it symbolizes this vibrant and this jewel toned vibe, which is great for having a luxurious decor inside of your house. Next is mint green. Unlike emerald green, mint green provides this youthful and refreshing vibe. It is light and fresh, and psychologically, it conveys cleanliness and also a sense of renewal. It makes it a top choice for kitchens or even bathrooms as it creates, a bright, airy atmosphere. It pairs well with softer pastels or even darker contrasting tones, for a playful yet sophisticated look. Next, we move on to the color hunter green. If you want a sense of formality inside of your house, looking for a green shade for your library or your classic interior decor, then this is the color for you. It provides a sense of dark traditional vibe which brings a sense of formality. It signifies stability and strength, which also makes it a perfect choice for classic interiors. In design, it pairs well with rich furniture of leather, dark woods also, and warm metals like brass and stuff. It can be used to add depth inside of the house while also providing this cozy yet polished look. Next is seafoam green. The color seafoam green is soft and pale. It also has hints of blue, and it is a go-to choice for bringing the serene coastal vibe inside of your house as it is a light and refreshing color. It pairs well with whites and sandy beaches, and it brings a harmonious and fresh aesthetic inside of the house. Do you wish to have contemporary and eclectic style inside of your house and also incorporate the color green? Well, then the shade chartreuse is a great choice for it. It provides this energizing and attention grabbing energy inside of your house, and it can liven up a room without overwhelming it with the shade green. It is this yellow green tone, and it symbolizes creativity, innovation, and modernity. So, if you also now wish to incorporate some blue green tone of green and do not wish to overwhelm the room with it, then teal green is a good choice for it because it is associated with sophistication and creativity, and it pairs well with gold, white, or neutral tones and gives your house a dramatic yet an elegant look. Next, we come to the eucalyptus green. Eucalyptus is also a plant, and this color is like a dusty bluish green tone, and it brings this subtle elegance and adds freshness without overwhelming the space, which makes it ideal for like living areas or the bedrooms. Psychologically, it is a soothing and encouraging color. It encourages mindfulness inside of the house, which makes it a perfect fit for minimalistic and also contemporary interiors. This shade goes well with whites, grays, and also natural woods. Now, these are the 10 shades of green which we covered now. And now let's move on to the next shade, which would be beige. The color psychology for green and beige are pretty similar. Both provide a sense of stability and calmness and this relaxation vibe. Beige color is good if you want to feel security inside of your house and bring this form of stability inside of the house. It is a great color for having minimalistic decor inside of your house if you want to go for a minimalistic vibe, and it brings this tranquil and calming edge inside of the house just like the color green has, and it goes well with almost every other color as it is like a neutral shade and everything. So now let's move on and discuss the 10 shades of beige which you can incorporate inside of your house. So let's start off with the first shade of beige, which would be classic beige. Classic beige is a neutral and timeless shade. It is great for having it as a seamless base color for your walls, and you can pair it with white, so you can pair it with other contrasting tones or even bold accents to have this clean and classic look inside of your house. Psychologically speaking, this color represents balance and versatility. So, if that is something you're open to, this color should definitely be inside of your house. It's even a mix of warm and cool tones, which is a perfect choice for creating a blend of a harmonious and peaceful environment inside of your house. So now moving on from classic beige, the next is top beige. It has grey and brown undertones, and top beige it conveys a sense of sophistication and modernity inside of the house. Psychologically, it is grounded yet a stylish color which is ideal for minimalistic or contemporary spaces. The shade works well for furniture, upholstery, having accent walls inside of the house, and having it blend effortlessly with other metallic or monochromatic patterns into the house. It creates an upscale ambience. Looking for a beige color for your bedroom or living rooms? Well, then the warm beige color is perfect for it. It has this yellow orange undertones into it, which radiates this coziness and warmth inside of the house. It evokes feelings of comfort and hospitality. It makes it a perfect blend for living in it. The shade shines in spaces with like ample of natural light, and it pairs well with soft textiles, wood furniture, and also warm metallics like brass and gold, and you can create this welcoming aesthetic through this color. Next is coal beige, which has subtle grey undertones into it, and it is good for having a neutral backdrop for sharp contrast with darker tones or metallic finishes to have that chic contemporary look inside of your house. Coal beige has this calming and understated vibe inside of it, which is good for styles such as modern or industrial interiors where the cooler palettes dominate. Now let's move on to bringing this sandy beige vibe inside of your house, hence introducing the color sand beige. It has golden undertones and it is reminiscent of those sandy beaches, you know. It evokes a sense of relaxation and comfort inside of the house, and it complements natural textures like jute or the rattan or even wood. You can use sand beige on walls, you can have it in the shades of your rug, you can have it as accent furniture to create this tranquil or grounded atmosphere inside of your house. But instead of sandy beaches, if you want to bring a sense of coffee or cappuccino to your house, then go for the cappuccino beige color, which has this medium beige and brown undertones to it, which brings richness and depth to your interior, just like a cup of your cappuccino cafe. It has this comforting and cozy psychological impact to the brain, which makes it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, and even colors in libraries. It is often used for furniture, carpet, and accent walls, and it is paired well with warm neutrals and dark woods to create this welcoming and sophisticated space. If you want to have this modern interior inside of your house or bringing those Scandinavian interior design in the house, then greige, which is a mixture of gray and the beige color, is a perfect blend for it, and it is also like this foundation for the minimalistic style inside of the house. It represents balance and subtlety inside of the house, and it is a versatile and also trendy neutral color, which excludes this, elegant and chic vibe. And it works beautifully and it blends in with the warm and cool tones inside of the house. Next would be ivory beige, which is this creamy and pale hue of the color beige. It feels light and airy, and also it feels really inviting. It has soft yellow undertones, which creates like a sense of cleanliness and also subtle warmth inside of the house. This shade is perfect for walls, cabinetry, bedding in spaces, or also like aiming for brightness and openness inside of the house because it creates this uplifting effect into the interior style of the house and gives this whole serene vibe to you. But instead of sandy beaches or coffee, if you want a color inside of your house which represents textiles instead, then you can go for linen beige, which is this reminiscent of the fabric linen, and it has a soft light shade and subtle warmth into it. It is widely used for upholstery, curtains, or walls. It is often paired with whites, muted greens, or pastels for this relaxed and organic look. It conveys simplicity and this understated elegance, which is good for this classic yet refined choice inside of the house. But if you want to go completely different and go for like a pebble vibe of those soft, smooth pebbles found in nature, then go for pebble beige. As the name suggests, it has cool and grayish undertones, has this calming effect to your brain, and it creates a sense of minimalism and modernity. It is like a favorite for contemporary or coastal interiors, and the shade is often used for flooring, tiles or accent walls, where it pairs beautifully with whites, blues, or other muted tones to evoke a serene and balanced space into the house. So that is all for today. I hope you find proper ideas for your interior house decor and this color psychology video helped you. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.